today's video, I have to unbox a lot of models, and I have a lot of packages sent by companies, sellers. See that pile of boxes? I did not buy a lot of those. Half of these I bought them from eBay model trains, and half are from companies sending me products. So what I'm saying is that it's gonna take me a while to unbox all these boxes, and probably this week is going to be boring, just unboxing, fixing repairs, and I'm not gonna be able to make any custom models, because I'm doing some shipping, receiving, and blah blah blah. Let's see if these models work. The first we have is Edward. Edward is Mattel, and it's looking good. So this model, it's okay. Comes with battery. The battery does hold some charge, and it's good actually. Maybe I have to clean a little bit the I think I saw on the side of the road some hair, carpet, or whatever, but it's good. Next we have Diesel 10 with a claw, and Tomy needs a little touch up. Battery terminals good. Sounds very quiet, very smooth, and it's working great. I like when they are this quiet, they are not noisy. It's good. Now I know the rest of the boxes I received a lot, they are going to be noisy. One of those, or maybe a lot of those, for parts are not working. This one's good. Toy Company 2006 Duke Montage, and actually works. Very quiet. Something wrong? No. It's really good actually. It's good. Nice. They need a lot of the dusting. Other than that, it's really good. And next we have Thomas. See, not all the time you can find good models online. I bought this on eBay. Not all the time. Most of the time these are broken. Oh yes, this one sounds good. Sounds good, yeah. Any problem? No. That's normal. Very strong. Mattel, 2009 Mattel. I stopped making, I used to like buy this. I have a lot of Thomas now. A lot of these Thomas. Toy Company, Mattel, and Tomy. From this kind of Thomas, I used to make him Timothy the Ghost Engine, but I as always keep stacking a lot, and I don't have time to make him anymore. And also comes, this lot comes with Plarail. I like the roof, is good. And let me see another. I think this is Season's Greeting. It's a passenger car from I think Holiday something. And I want to say thank you everybody who leave thumbs up and comment on my sections on the video description. So we have Snowy Gordon. There's no tender on this lot. What is that? Pizza sauce? Works good. Well, I didn't know about the lot for the Revolutions models. I bought the lot for, obviously, for this guy here, Edward, Diesel 10, and the Duke. And we have Rebecca, good condition. See, actually, I just come to my mind. I know someone sent me a package from overseas. I will take a look at it. I know you say this is delivery, but I'll show you already. I have, it's not only those boxes. I have like around 40 boxes, and I need to make the videos for this company who they send me a lot of products also. And I'm not posting those videos on here on YouTube. Mostly of those are going other sections. Um, Anyways, other social medias. This Rebecca works good. So like I say, it's going. My plan, my idea was to post. See, I'm not editing this video. I'm talking while I'm doing this thing. See, Rebecca Stender, Duke. Anyways, it might sound that I'm not. I'm talking, narrating this thing, but I'm not. Anyways, I lost what I was trying to say. We have James. So I need to post a lot of videos and make. I mean, I'm one-man band, and I'm shipping, receiving. Okay, so this guy who sent me model engines. I think last week, couple guys. I will contact. Hold on. I'm waiting for FedEx is delivering a lot of packages today too. I thought it was the FedEx truck, but it's not. It's running late. So as soon as I get chance, I will. Those who sent me the last week model, I think 10 days ago, 2 weeks, I don't remember. I will try to contact you again. And so we have Stafford, the electric engine. Nice. I will send you an email soon. So for this shipping thing, and whoever sent me that box of trains, I will look on that bunch of boxes. This one is a little noisy, so I'm going to most of these are the dusting needed only, and this one is little grainy sound. It's not a big deal. I'll fix that. So like I was saying, I will take a look at your model engines and try to fix them. And here's the last one on this box. It's Henry. Does not come with tender. Is this dog hair or cat hair? Oh, talking about diesel tank, I tried to make something. One moment. Yeah, I downloaded some files, and I am not an expert, and we are trying to do pinchy. I need to, adjust and tweak a little bit the 3D printer and do some extra files. But this one looks promising. See, I don't know if that's. I need to figure out which way they're going, and I need another print another parts. But this one looks promising. Where's the lens? Here. Where's the camera lens? Somewhere. Anyway, pinchy. Yeah, I got the delivery from FedEx. Just arrived. So far so good. These are good to go. I will post them. I hope post them really soon. And you know what? I'm going to open another box. So this one comes from Las Vegas, Nevada. Is it Nevada or Nevada? Nevada. Okay. These are Trackmaster Revolutions. So for this, I don't remember if they are for parts or not working, but look at this here handle. It looks shiny. Decals are almost gone. They need to be replaced. And it comes with a battery. It looks clean. And we put fresh battery. You know what? It's kind of slow. The battery is. Oh, the motor is making noise. that needs to be replaced. I can replace that motor, but at least the cogs are okay. It's good, not a big deal. Also running out of electric motors or little motors, so I need to put get new fresh motors. And okay, let's go with one moment. Turbo diesel. These models, you don't see this often. They are getting a little expensive. I've seen some of these selling for 60, 70, up to 80 bucks. I assume those batteries are completely drained, so I hope mine are good. Yeah. I'll put this in the trash. This one works. Sounds good. See, Trackmaster Revolutions are known for not making rattle noises like Revolutions. I wonder how to. I found the other day the there. You hear it? There it is. Oh man, push it down. I wanted to try the turbo mode, but I accidentally pushed this button again. Okay, I guess I'm never gonna get it again. So I was saying, I found the track somewhere. No, I am not going to. I think it was this one first, then the next one. No, I did not make. I couldn't make it anyways. Couldn't make it work. But I mean, you guys hear it. It runs. I mean, the turbo mode runs. Next, Thomas missing side roads. So I'm checking all the models. I hope they are all working. Obviously dead batteries. I assume. Well, lucky they are not corroded battery terminals. Slow. Yeah, it's good. Bent. Okay, next another Thomas. Gotta put those in the trash. So far so good. Batteries drained. Those batteries are dead. Kind of slow. I don't know if you can notice there's a lot of tangled hair, carpet hair. Easy fix. So these two are dead. Okay, Thomas, it's good. Just a little cleaning. So we found, I think, there's a lot of hair right there. And it's, I know it's human hair, it's not carpet hair. I always say carpet hair, but I know for sure there's some human hair. This one is depleted. So it doesn't sound, you know, when I say carpet hair, I'm just trying not to sound so gross. But it's the reality, and even my channel is not made for kids. I never say it's made for kids, even though I post the content for you know, kids related. So anyways, we find almost everything on this. I think this one is for Rebecca. Good. And also the other model that is next, this blue one here, I think it's Lorenzo and Beppe or Beppe. What do you call this? I know it's a Lorenzo. I think I remember. Yes, Lorenzo right there. So far so good. We have good models that they are in good. Well, the motors are working. Of course, they are tangled. They need to. We need to remove those carpet hairs and human hair out of the models. This one also comes with the same issue, but at least works. Yes, if you find out, if you might think they are kind of a little slow, it's not too slow, but they're kind of a little slower. It's because of that tangled hair and carpet hair. Now the next is Gordon with some elephant. I think this was part of elephant Gordon. They put some little faces on the models. See the difference? This one is faster compared with this, and the other ones, and it's because it does not have a lot of tangled hair. And it's not the motor. These are the problem is these have a lot of carpet hair tangled. Now I don't know about this. Do these come with one of these Thomas? Because I see a lot of Thomas, and this one maybe. Yeah, I remember I unboxed it a long time ago. One of those with a little crane or whatever. This come with that set. So James, it's actually a completed set. I have here the tender, so that's good. Let me see. Same problem. Lot of I see a bunch of hair in there, carpet hair, but still works. This one runs a little faster, even though has a lot of hair in there in the wheels. Anyways, and the last one, so I'm trying to check and test every single of these. I know for sure the next boxes for tomorrow or the day after, they have a lot of issues. They are for parts or non-working. Yeah, this one is fast. This one's good. Non-working, but anyways. So thanks for watching.